Kurigana na Edward Karani, ruhonge ruru nirunyitirire sekta ya biacara cia gikiro gia thi kugerera ceceni ngurani icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini iria ikinyite 300.
We have an online portal for registration, that is one, and we also can do through feature phones, the USSD platform. So you can do registration of an association from wherever in the country without necessarily going to an office. And we are encouraging all people in the ecosystem to register so that they can start reaping the benefits of their registration.
Akiaria hindi ya kuhe mashini kudi tiganite ceceni-ini imwe gicigo mbunge gia Kigumo, Karani augite ceceni ici ciakitwo na gikiro kia iguru na ni kundu ayuthi aria mena matanya ma kwambiriria biacara magitherema.
We are ready to support you. There are institutions ready to support you. Equipment are there. People to give you skills are there. And those TVETs are well equipped.
Women largely shy away from technical work. Yeah, that is in manufacturing, that is welding, carpentry, but we are seeing a lot of uptick, especially in matters of tailoring, but we are encouraging diversity in all these activities.
Hamwe noguo no ahinyiririe andu meyandikithie na ruhonge ruru niguo mamukire uteithio na motaro maria magibatarana.
These associations were organized, they are registered, and that is why we can be able to come in as a government entity and support in their activity.
Kazi ya mikono saa hii inalipa vizuri. Kasa hii umeona tumepewa vitu za car wash na welding. Hizo mostly zinatakikana, si lazima ukuwe na grade ya juu. Na si kaa watu wenye wanasema ati hakuna kazi.
Kulingana na vile nchi inakaa, na tutapata kitu na ili tuliza familia zetu.
Handu-ini hake mũmbunge wa Kigumo Ruth Mwaniki niatamburite itemiriria biacara cia gikiro gia thi inyitaga ari ukuria wa utonga wa bururi akihinyiriria muingi gwikuruhania tabarira-ini iria ingimahura njeki.
What we are doing, and you know, is to ensure that our young people are directed, their energies are harnessed properly. We go to enterprises like MCA, we go to other enterprises. You've seen me coming here with the WEF, you've seen me coming with Wezo. We empower them.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washige.